What's up, I'm Rudy, and today I'm gonna teach you how to create pricing table with RTMKit. So first of all, you need to install the RTMKit in your plugin. Here, RTMKit add-on for Elementor, and after that, when you scroll down, there is RTMKit general, and there is pricing table. After you create a container in here, you can just drag and drop in here like this. Scroll down and there is pricing table. You can drag and drop in here. Here you can show either icon or not, or hide it. There's this icon that you can change it. Here the price, you can have many currency. You can change the currency. You can put it in the center or in the bottom. Here's the center, better. And you can put it on cells. You want to show sell price or not sell. You can hide it. This title, the description, that you can change it. Here's the button. You can change the icon. Here's the ribbon. You can enable the ribbon. Here's bestseller, and also the footer as well. And for the style, you can align the container, or you want to give a color. Like this one, or you can change the sell price, spacing. You can edit it. And the header as well, and the container as well. And you can change the price color. Like this one. You can put in the center, change typography. Yeah, if you really want to make a pricing table, make sure that you install RTMKit in your plugin. Thanks.